What are you doing?
Hi you guys. Today in this video, she gonna be cleaning up again.
Hi everyone, so today I wanted to do a little cleaning and decorating with you guys. It's been a while, so come join me as we get our little Miami apartment together. You guys, it warms my heart to know that you guys are enjoying this house hunting process with us. It is a little bit nerve-wracking for me personally. But I am so happy that you guys are enjoying it and joining us for the process. Okay, all right. But anywho, we will keep you posted. We are continuously searching up and down South Florida borders to find us a little future home to get settled in here in South Florida.
We are all pick me up, get moonchild, put me into overflow, crash into me, and let me fall deep enough to feel like deep enough to not let go. Watch over me. We are all stardust, 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 left behind, left to.
I just want to take a moment to say thank you guys, each and every last one of you. You are appreciated. So thank you so much for all your likes, your comments, your concerns, and each and every last one of you are truly appreciated.
We are all one. We are all one. We are all. Love get me higher. You get me hypnotized. I can see brighter. I love you high. Love get me higher. You get me hypnotized. I can see brighter. I love you high. Stardust, 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 left behind, left to find another, face the sun, fear no one, 'cause we are all one, 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 we are all
So
one.
Jonelle has made dinner. We have shrimp, salmon, some mashed potatoes. It looks so good. It's some broccoli if you want to do broccoli. But yeah, this is what we have for dinner. I've been working, cleaned the kitchen. He's cooked. Where's the vacuum? The vacuum.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my You say that you're sorry.
Okay, so here is some of the things that I just added throughout this little kitchen here. I got this little red bowl. Jornell picked it up for me from Target at the little $5 spot. This little marble heart was a stand that came from Home Goods. I just unscrewed the base, and the wooden one was like a 2-tiered stand as well, and I just unscrewed the base. I think they're so stinking cute over here with the cutting boards. And then I just have a Bath and Body Works candle out on the stove, just a little festivity. And then this XOXO towel came from the Target dollar spot for like $3. I finally replaced my plant that I had here. The last one got sick. I think I overwatered it, and then it caught some type of like disease or something. I couldn't save it, so I got rid of it, and I finally was able to replace it. I'm so happy about it.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober.
I thought these were so stinking beautiful. I don't have any idea what they are, but they look like leather to me. But so, here it goes. Some hydrangeas. So beautiful. And some cattails. It's that time of year. Spring is close, so these come out during that time. So here goes. A festivity. But yeah, I think this is cute. I'm just gonna place it over here until I can find somewhere to put it. We can get rid of this candle. Really cozy little apartment living. Here is some more of the arrangements that I got from yesterday. I put it over here on my little work desk, and this little sign came from Target, or even I think the Dollar Tree. How cute is that sign? So yeah, move this stuff out of the way. I'm about to start work, so it's a bit of a mess. I need to get it together, but I added that little heart in